It is obvious the JASMY price is cooling off after outperforming more than 90% of cryptocurrencies in the crypto space in the last days, few days ago. And so we just broke down below this trend line, and I think we are now making an attempt to properly retest it, which if that retest is confirmed, then we should expect further price move to the downside to this territory around 0.0075 before getting a bounce from there. You understand? So I won't be surprised if that happens. Getting a bounce by the time we tap into this zone, the zone between 0.0068 and also 0.0075, we should expect to see a pump, a move from there to the upside for JASMY Coin, because that zone is an obvious liquidity zone for a potential reversal for JASMY Coin. If you're paying attention to the previous market cap high for January 2025, you will notice our previous market cap high was around 1.7 billion. The current market cap is currently seated at $421.66 million, which is, you can still easily catch a 5x to 10x on JASMY Coin entering at this current price. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. But a $1 price target is still possible for JASMY Coin, and I'm still not changing my mind. You get, still very, very possible. The entire market is currently having a little bit of pullback, not just JASMY Coin. JASMY is down minus 2.9% in the last 24 hours. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And if this pullback continues, then we all should start expecting JASMY to pull back into this territory we talked about. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to be talking about the BTC price and also the dominance price and also the orders against the BTC pair chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should actually expect for JASMY Coin. Like seriously. Now, this BTC chart is one of the most important catalysts that is going to give us a clear picture on how altcoins are going to move either to the upside or downside. Now, this is the BTC price on the 4-hour time frame. Quickly, we're going to be talking about the BTC dominance in this video. Now, if you're paying attention, we have a potential reversal zone here, which is likely to act as a support territory. The reversal zone is between $94,700 and $93,800 for the price of BTC. Now, this is the BTC/USDT pair on the perpetual contract market. Now, by the time we tap into this territory, we are likely to get a bounce. We have 70% to 80% chance of getting a reversal, a bounce from here to the upside on the price of BTC. And if this pump should continue, then I'm looking forward to short BTC in this first resistance around the 100K level for BTC. By the time we tap there, we are likely to get a rejection. My final most local top resistance for BTC would be around $106,000 for BTC. So by the time we get to the $106,000, surely I think we have 80 to 95% chance of getting a retracement from there. By the time BTC, even if BTC overcomes the 100K, flip it into a support, then the 106K territory is likely to be the local top resistance on BTC. So let's even check what the RSI is saying. RSI is currently in the overbought territory. The last time we tapped into the overbought territory, we corrected and sold to the downside. The RSI corrected aggressively. So we are now in that same territory, the overbought territory, on the same level with the previous high. So I won't be surprised if we start getting a rejection from here into this potential reversal zone. A loss of this potential reversal zone, and a flip of it into a resistance is likely to send BTC price lower than expected. Like seriously. And if BTC is going down this much, then altcoins are going to get massacred as well. So yeah, that's that for that. So the moment we start getting this rejection to tap into this liquidity pool once again, then altcoins are likely to reject as well and tap into their support territory before getting a bounce from there to the upside. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, nothing really has changed on the BTC dominance. And we are currently at 59.65% on the BTC dominance. We are still expecting that aggressive move to the downside, which usually leads to a massive altcoin rally. We had that move in 2017 when where an altcoin shot aggressively to the upside. Same move happened in 2021. An altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Now we're waiting for that move to happen probably in 2026. And the moment this BTC dominance begin her aggressive correction, then altcoins are going to go parabolic and ballistic to the moon. Like seriously, that is when you can start expecting to see 100% gain, 200% gain on a daily basis on your portfolio. This is the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame. Now, for those who don't know what the orders chart is, it is the ratio total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 and BTC market cap. Now, the last time the orders chart found her bottom on this, I call it a multi-year significant trend line. The last time it found her bottom was when the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019. And when the quantitative tightening came to an end, what happened? It marks the bottom of the entire market. And from there, we start rallying, coiling up gradually until we exploded. Now, I think same playbook is repeating herself. The 2019 playbook is obviously and literally repeating herself before our very eye. Quantitative tightening came to an end December 1st, 2025. And what happened? The market bottomed and proceeded with a bullish brief pump in January 2026. That should ring a bell. That should give you a green light and also open your eye that the market has bottomed. Even if we should get any pullback, I believe it's still not going to go below this trend line we are seeing right here. And I'm expecting a bounce from this trend line all the way to this high. And that bounce is going to be massive. The moment that bounce is happening, altcoins are going to pump 10x easily. We pump to this high and then retrace into Q2 ending 2026, which is likely to be the bear market, the start of the bear market. The moment we retrace into that zone, found support here, I think 2027 is going to be massively disastrous for the bears. The bulls are going to make a lot of money by the time we tap bottoms this year and then rally in 2027. But this rally you're seeing right here, like I've said countless times, it is still going to be very, very massive for altcoins this year by the time this move begins. It's not over until it's over. Smart monies are quietly positioning themselves ahead of the rally. You know what to do already. My name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Invest wisely. Peace out.